Right there is the door panel, and we will start towards the inner door handle. Using a thin screwdriver, we will take out the cover for the interior door handle. Behind the cover there is a screw, and we will be taking it out using a Phillips screwdriver. Screw is out. Now we jump on to the bottom side. Using the same thin screwdriver, we will pop out the edges of the door switch cover. Once the edges are out, now it is easy for us to take it out completely. Once taken out, there are two plugs that needs to be pulled out. Both plugs are out. This separates the door switch cover from the panel. Now we take out this L-shaped trim going all the way up. Starting from the top, use the same thin screwdriver to make some room. Once you see a little gap, now slightly pull it outwards and keep doing the same till the very end. There, that L-shaped hockey stick is out. Notice there is a screw at the bottom side, and we will be taking it out using a Phillips screwdriver. The same hole is on top, and the same Phillips screwdriver will be used to take that screw out. Now, with a little force, slightly pull the door liner from the bottom side. Make sure it is losing its grip, moving it up and down until it completely pops out. Once the door panel is taken down, notice there is an interior door handle which has wirings attached to it. We will not be taking out the wirings separately. Instead, we will just pull it from one edge, and there the interior door handle will come out itself. And that was it. We ended up taking out the door panel completely. Once the door panel is taken out, then we will pull down this plastic cover to a point where we have an access to the inside of the door handle. Inside, you will see two white colored tabs right there. Grab the tabs, press them down, and then pull both of them outwards. Just like that. This tab actually works as a lock for the door handle and does not let that to come out. Since the lock is opened now, so we will go at the front, grab the door handle and then push it towards the left side. You will see the handle sliding 2 to 3 inches, and then pull the door handle outwards. There we ended up taking out the door handle. Now in case if you want to put this back, it's the reverse of the takeout. We punch it in just like that, and once it's completely in, we have to push it forward so that it's in place firm and strong. We also come back to the interior side. This time we push the tabs inside. Just like that. This makes the door handle locked and it will not come out. We put the plastic piece back to its place, and then we put back the door handle. If you want to put back the door handle, just reverse the steps we did for the takeout and you should be fine. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.